Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce REST API for lead creation automation step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type App Manager and select it from the results. Locate the app you want to enable the REST API for. Click the drop-down arrow next to the app and select Edit. Scroll down to the API section. Ensure that the Enable OAuth Settings checkbox is checked. Fill in the required fields for the callback URL. Choose the appropriate OAuth scopes. Click Save to update the app settings. Next, go back to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Connected Apps and select it. Click the New Connected App button. Fill in the required information, including the name and API name. Under the API, Enable OAuth Settings section, check the Enable OAuth Settings box. Provide the same callback URL you used earlier. Select the OAuth scopes needed for lead creation. Once completed, click Save. Now, go back to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Profiles and select it. Choose the profile that needs API access. Scroll down to the Connected Apps section. Click Edit next to the connected app you just created. Ensure the appropriate access permissions are assigned. Click Save to apply the changes. Next, navigate to the Lead Object Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and select it. Locate and select the lead object. Click on Fields and Relationships. Verify that all required fields for lead creation are set up properly. Now, you need to create an API key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.